Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have the Black & Decker 710 watts 115 millimeter angle grinder, and it comes with 5 discs. In this video I'll be showing you the box, and I'll be showing you the content inside the box. Okay, this is literally going to be used for simple things like wood cutting, a bit of, I don't know, maybe metal here and there, but nothing heavy. This is just for minor stuff around the house. So let's get into it. I'm going to open the box and we're going to see what's inside. Yep, this is brand new from one of the retailers. I bought it, I can't remember how much I bought it for, but it wasn't that expensive. I think it was around £35. So let's see what's inside. Okay, bear with me. Literally, I haven't opened this box. This box is literally brand new, fresh from the shop. Okay, so the first thing I see is actually the manual of the angle grinder itself. There you go. We'll put that to one side. Let's keep opening. Dun, dun, dun. You get this space looking object. Obviously, I'm guessing this is obviously the what protects your hand within the blade and the angle grinder. We'll put that to one side. And for the main event. So this is actually a corded angle grinder. So this is not a battery operated one. This is a corded angle grinder. Before we get that out, we have another object here. I'm just going to open that one and we can see what's inside as well. Bear with me. Yes. Okay, so I believe this is the handle. Put that to one side, and this is, not sure what this is, but I believe this is what you probably use to change the blade. I think, not sure. We'll put that to one side, and I think we still got some more stuff. Okay, be careful when taking this out. It's a bit heavy, and not too heavy, but a bit heavy. So this is the 5 blades it comes with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not sure. I think they all look the same to me, but who knows, they might be a bit different, but they look the same to me. So that's the blades. We'll put that to one side. Okay, there's still some more stuff in there. There's another, this is another cover. I believe that covers a different section of the angle grinder. Yeah, we'll put that to one side. That's it. The box is empty. There's nothing more in the box. We'll put the box to one side, and here you go. This is the angle grinder. There you go. And you've got a cable. I believe this cable is, I think is more than a meter. Don't quote me on this, but I'm pretty sure it's more than a meter. It looks more than, it's probably looking more like 2 meters, maybe. And here you go. I'll try and get all this connected, and maybe give you a test run so you guys can see exactly how this performs.